Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can grow fast on Twitter. Twitter can be a great way to connect with people and build a following, but it can also be tough to get started. There are so many people on Twitter and it can be hard to stand out. That's where these easy tips come in. In this video, I'm going to share some of the best tips for growing on Twitter, even if you are just starting out. Tip 1. Create a great profile. Your Twitter profile is the first thing people will see when they come to your page, so it's important to make a good impression. Use a clear and concise profile picture and bio. Your bio should tell people who you are and what you are interested in. It's also a good place to include a link to your website or blog. Tip 2. Tweet regularly. The more you tweet, the more like you are to show up in people's feed. Try to tweet once a day at the very least, but more is preferable. If you are not sure what to tweet about, try sharing your thoughts on current events, industry news, or interesting things you learned. Additionally, you are able to share your own writing, videos, and blog entries. Tip number 3. Use relevant hashtags. Hashtags are a great way to get your tweet seen by more people. When you use a hashtag, your tweet will show up in the search results for that hashtag. To find relevant hashtags, use a tool like hashtag fight.me or WriteTag. These tools can help you find popular hashtags in your niche. Tip number 4. Engage with others. Twitter is all about engagement. If you want to grow your following, you need to interact with other users. Like and retweet other people's tweets and leave comments on their post. You can also participate in Twitter chats, which are live conversation on Twitter that focus on specific topic. Tip number 5. Run contests and giveaways. Giveaway and contests are excellent methods to increase engagement and draw in new followers. When you run a contest and giveaway, be sure to promote it on your other social media channels and in your email newsletter. A large audience can also be reached using sponsored advertising. Growing on Twitter takes time and effort, but it's definitely possible. By following these easy tips, you can start to grow your following and build a community on Twitter. Now bonus tip is use a social media management tool like Hootsuite and Sprout Social to help you schedule your tweets, track your analytics and engage with your followers. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.